Attorney General William Tong's kids are no strangers to using social media.
I can't see the content really on their phones and what they're looking at, but what I can see is the addiction.
It's not just his children. According to the National Library of Medicine, 93 to 97% of kids ages 13 to 17 use at least one social media platform and are active on social media platforms for approximately 3 hours a day. That's why Tong and lawmakers from both parties met to discuss how they can solve this issue.
But the harms, of course, are real. They're very damaging, and as a community, as legislators and the Attorney General in this state, we want to do everything we can to protect young people.
Tong sued Meta in November 2023.
And we sued because of this growing, not just social but mental health problem, and what is soon becoming, fast becoming, one of the major public health crises in our country. And the thread here is addiction.
With addiction, more problems can rise. The CDC reports frequent social media use can lead to an increase in bullying at school and online, persistent feelings of sadness or hopelessness, and risk of suicide in kids and teens. State Senator James Maroney shared a story of a 10-year-old girl. He said she went on a trip with her family one time, but instead of looking at the nature that surrounded her, she focused on her phone.
Unfortunately, later on, that same girl was hospitalized because of suicidal ideations for 6 weeks. And so we know that there are too many stories like that.
He said with big tech companies now running the show in Washington, D.C., it is less likely there will be federal actions to protect kids.
So it's on us to put the people of Connecticut over the portfolio profits of the tech millionaires and billionaires and pass this law so that we can provide more protections for our children.
Tong shared recommendations to protect kids. He said the state should restrict social media companies from using algorithms to target those under 18 without parental consent.
Something that starts out innocently, like content about weight loss, or content about makeup and skincare, can lead to content that makes particularly young women feel bad about themselves.
He also suggested that lawmakers require social media sites to turn off notifications between midnight and 6 a.m. and limit social media use to 1 hour per day. DeAndre Grindy Brown sat in the meeting to hear lawmakers talk about this plan. He's concerned these recommendations will lead to a permanent social media ban for all minors.
It's scary because with any addiction, there needs to be a taper. If you want to take someone off, there got to be a substitution to it, whether it's therapy, learning emotional support, emotional stability.
The state is investigating TikTok over similar allegations of the platform negatively impacting the mental health of children and teens. In Hartford, Kayla Cade, Fox 61.